And now this is an important ayah, and we tend to notice a lot of people making this mistake. The ayah that needs to be read as Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka, the word Iyyaka, there's a shadda, so there's this layer of emphasis, Iyyaka, Iyyaka, but people tend to read it very loosely. They read it as Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, which entirely distorts the meaning. It changes the meaning from the right meaning, which is, Ya Allah, you alone we worship and you alone we seek help. It changes it from that to, O sunlight, we worship you, O sunlight, we seek help from you. So this is something very serious, and we need to work on correcting this mistake for those who are making this